Nobody gets married thinking that they're going to get a divorce, but unfortunately it happens. So I'm here to give you my 3 biggest tips for selling your home during a divorce. Hey, I'm Amy Simpson. I'm a real estate agent here in Maryland, and unfortunately, I've had a few clients getting a divorce and selling a home at the same time. The process is not always easy, but it can be a little easier and stress-free, and I'm here to tell you how. First of all, and I think most importantly, you have to be on the same page with the other party. Even if you guys aren't getting along, you have to find a way to be on the same page about the sale of your house. It's very important that these next few things I'm about to talk about are all discussed and agreed to. You guys are going to have to discuss who's staying in the property, who's going to be handling the showings and the maintenance during the selling process, and of course, how proceeds are going to be split. Even if you guys can't come to terms about everything, those are the most important things. Speaking of splitting the proceeds, we're going to talk about getting the title company involved. Hopefully you guys are going through a really easy divorce. However, when it comes to money and the sale of your property, then there's going to be a title company involved to transfer the deed from you guys over to the new owner, and also to transfer the funds everywhere that they need to go. So my second biggest tip is make sure that you are both comfortable with the title company. And my third biggest tip is communication is so very important, so everybody has to be on the same page. Even if you're in a situation where you and the other party are not on speaking terms, then all the vendors and representatives are gonna have to be in the loop on everything, especially as offers are coming in. This is the time to take everything seriously, and we don't want anybody arguing or having any issues about an offer that comes through that's actually really good because they want to take a jab at the other person. Even if you have somebody in the middle, for example, your real estate professional having an exact idea of what you both want and what's important to you, that's going to allow for when the offers come through, you to be able to sit down, take a look at them and say, hey, this has everything that we've both agreed to already. This is a good offer. The only way that we'll be able to get to that point is if communication is top of mind and everybody's on the same page. I know this process can be difficult, but if you follow these steps, then you can make your life a little bit easier during a very difficult time. If this is you and you're thinking about navigating and selling your home during a divorce, then definitely click the link below for a free consultation.